me, and this is my friend Yuri. Today, we're going to be playing Animal Hospital because we're actively broke and we can't pay for Literature Club. So let's get started. By the way, we're animals. Yo, Yuri, what color am I?
You're just the basic nurse skin.
Really? Okay, yeah, well that color sucks. Anyway, oh my god, that flashlight. Anyway, so let's check this person out. So they look fine. They look pretty much fine. The first two patients are always gonna be innocent. Sorry guys, I low-key had a cough. Anyway, I'm gonna skip some of this. Like, I'm skipping the first two patients because I don't feel like doing all that. Okay, guys. Okay, we have a patient now. Let's just go ahead and do their thing. Yuri, you go back there and, like, do your job. Oh, my God. Can you check the cameras for me? Oh, my God. Do I let them in?
No, why would you do that?
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna let them in or not.
Okay, well, you very obviously shouldn't, Natsuki.
Well, I don't think I'm gonna let them in. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Yeah, I'm just gonna shut that. Anyway. Yeah, you can leave. Yeah, I can't refuse you. Anyway. Anyway, I guess, let's just... You can leave now. Anyway, I guess we'll wait for the next patient to come. I'm gonna speed things along because it's taking forever, and, not the headbangers. I'm gonna have to spend my time getting rid of that. Yeah, I don't know what happened to Yuri. She's just like back there doing whatever she wants. Oh my god, look guys, they're so twins. Name's Ron. From accounting. That name sucks, right Yuri?
Who names their child that?
I don't know, someone who's probably diabetic. Whatever, anyway, let's continue. Whatever, Ron from accounting. You suck. He's fine, I guess. Here you go, and go. Shoo shoo. Anyway, I'm gonna skip some parts. Oh my god, why did you get best person?
Because I'm just like that.
Whatever. Anyway, why are you jumping around so much? Oh. Who is that? It's a hospital, and sometimes we don't have service. Anyway. Okay. You're fine. For now. I'm taking the coffee. Can you stop staring up at the ceiling? And get back to work? Hi, again. Yeah, I'm still here. I'm not gonna carry maple syrup with me everywhere. That's just stupid.
It really isn't, but you do you.
Oh my god, is that Rathu? Hi, Rathu. It's a dangerous job. I know. Let me check you in. You got room 6. I'll treat you, because I'm a nurse. Copy the sequence. So, you want... Okay, I can get you that. Okay, there you go. I'll just wait for you to heal. Bye-bye. Why do you need help with surgery? You can do this by yourself. You're such a great person with surgery. You obviously know how to use pins and needles. Pins?
Listen, that was in the past. We don't talk about that anymore. Shush, the viewers do not need to know.
Yuri. Hey, I'm the best. Oh my, no thank you. Yuri, can you come in here? There's a big fire and I'm losing hope. Speak because we don't have the fire hydrant yet.
That's too bad.
Oh my god, my health. Well, sanity I think it's called. I'll check you in, I guess. It's shift 4. I'm adjust. You look fine, I guess. Does he look fine?
Oh, no, that is no. Oh, watch out. Oh.
Okay, guys, if you liked the video, can you add a pink heart with the shimmerings on it and a purple heart in the comment section. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.